So we just bought this new Dodge Neon. Very used Dodge Neon. And the signals, well, that's not the signals. The signals are not working in the car, which obviously we can't have. So we're thinking it is a relay. It's a light control module, which is located in the steering column here. So we're going to work on changing that out and hope that fixes the problem. So I guess you just get a Phillips head screwdriver. I think there's 4 screws under here. I'm just gonna take that out. I gotta feel around in there because the hole's really deep. Oh, there's that one. Oh, it's coming up on the top already. You can see it lifting here. Might not be another screw in here. I don't think there is. So this control module should be in here somewhere. Blinkers are here. Let me get it around from a different angle. Maybe it's on the bottom? Take the key out. Okay,
Now to find the fuse.
now to find
the
this
relay.
relay.
Should we maybe pause and
Pause
find
the
it?
camera for a second, maybe.
Okay.
We're removing the cover for the steering wheel. There was no relay in here, but basically back here there are some prongs. I don't know if you can see them well, but so this needs to snap into those holes like that.
Oh, you can hear them.
You can hear it already.
That's the hazard lights
That's
are
the
on.
hazards, yeah. So signals are still.
Let's just check behind. Nothing.
Brake lights?
Brake lights work.
Hazards work?
Yes.
Okay, well,
Signal again.
I think that, wait a minute, let me turn the car on.
Okay, yeah.
Signal? Yeah? Other side?
Well, oh yeah, other side. Do this one. Thank you. I'm like, I'm on this
So
side.
they're working then, eh?
Yay! So that's how you fix your turn signals.
Specifically for a Dodge Neon, but same idea
Yes.
for other cars.
2000.
Well, that's perfect.
Pop it back in.
Yeah, we just gotta put it all back together, which
Pop it fresh.
is pretty simple. I say as I have issues.
Well, this little arm
There's
here.
a piece in the bottom. That's hard to fit back in. To make a certain height or something.
The lever.
Oh, maybe I adjusted the steering wheel down. Probably want to put it all the way up so we got clearance, yeah. Good call on that.
What? I don't think the lever goes on the inside, my love.
Well, no, it will move. And
Then you.
oh, I might want to move it down to get clearance there.
On the top. Yeah.
All these together. That's such an interesting
Yeah.
mechanism.
And then you just put the screws
Back up in the
back in
hole,
the holes.
which might be tedious, but
That's okay. Powering off.